how's it going? Today I have a, ooh, you guys are falling. Okay, I think y'all are good. I'm going out today and I have these cute pants, even though it's gonna be like 90 degrees. So I decided on a small shirt, but I didn't have a matching shirt, like a shirt that looks good with it when it comes to white. So I'm gonna make one out of a t-shirt. This t-shirt is my friend's idol group called Delight Idols, and then her name is So Kawaii on there, and I love her to death. This is also just a huge shirt, so I'm not gonna be ruining it. I'm gonna be cropping this while using the rest of it for purposes. First thing I was told to do is find like the middle of the shirt. Like I said, it's a big shirt, it's got a stain on it, we're gonna ignore that. Find the middle of the shirt and we're just gonna cut right down this way. Where I put the scissors. So this is gonna be right down the middle. Like I said, this is gonna crop the top on top, so it's not gonna be hurting it, and it's gonna be cute. Doesn't have to be perfect either, is what I was told. Try not to cut my bed sheets. All right. Step one, complete. Let's not show that side. Complete. Well, the second step is gonna be cutting off the hem at the bottom of the shirt. I need to stop showing that. Right. Also, I don't know where that came from. I think I've only ever wore this once. And then the rest was like sleeping because I haven't been able to go to any of their idol meetups. I'm pretty sure after I got this shirt, COVID happened. At least that year. Great. I wish I had a better pair, like a sharper pair of scissors, but I don't know where mine are. I'm using my best friend's right now. And fun fact, yes, I have recently accidentally cut my hand on a pair of scissors like a child. Not on purpose, so it's obviously not on purpose. On to the next thing. Hem, right here. Cut in two. Now this is gonna hopefully be long enough since that was like an extra large shirt. We gotta try this out, but you have it like in the back. The front is gonna be pushed forward. And then you run this through this end on this side. Like I said, it's gonna like wrap around the front. So this. Then through this side. And I'll probably pause the video and take my shirt off so that I could properly show you guys how it's supposed to look. But all right. So these, and then twist and tie around my neck. To see the picture, I need to adjust it. It worked. It's just, you get, I used the wrong side, the stain's there. I need to. After some stretching and adjusting and flipping, I did it. It was a little tight, but like I said, I haven't worn this in so long, so like the kind of fibers were just being very stiff. But stretched it in one direction, and this isn't too much tension on my neck, but I did this out of a t-shirt. Yes, go ahead and give it a try. Tag me if you do it too. I'm not the creator of this. It's just trending on TikTok right now. And like I said, I needed a top for the pants. It worked perfectly. All right, let me know if you want any other hacks or any that you want me to try that you've seen before in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and I gotta do my makeup and hair. All right, bye.